Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Toro Dingo tracks are probably one of the most essential components for maximizing the performance and versatility of your Toro Dingo compact utility loader, enabling it to navigate challenging terrains with unparalleled ease and efficiency, whether you're tackling landscaping projects, construction sites, or any task requiring superior traction and stability. Number 5. Toro Dingo Wheel Bearings. Keep your Toro Dingo running smoothly with these essential wheel bearings. Designed for optimal performance and durability. Crafted from high-quality steel, these bearings are built to withstand tough job site conditions. They ensure reliable operation for extended periods. These bearings are specifically designed to fit a range of Toro Dingo models. Ensure a perfect fit for your 420, 525, and 427 narrow tracks, TRX trenchers, and STX stump grinders. Experience a significant improvement in your equipment's maneuverability and efficiency. These bearings provide the smooth operation you need to get the job done. Available in both steel and stainless steel options, you can choose the material that best suits your needs. Both offer exceptional strength and longevity. Don't let worn-out parts slow you down. These are the reliable replacement parts you need to maintain your Toro Dingo's peak performance. What we like. This offers robust durability with its steel construction and the convenience of two ball bearings for smooth operation. If you're looking for a reliable replacement part that fits a variety of Dingo models, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for those who need a dependable component to keep their equipment running without frequent replacements. What people say. The tracks are a perfect fit for the Toro Dingo. These tracks are very durable and hold up well under heavy use. The tracks provide excellent traction on various terrains, making it easier to maneuver the Dingo in challenging conditions. Number 4. Toro Dingo Wide Track Replacement. Introducing our wide track replacement, engineered for superior performance. These tracks are built to last and provide exceptional durability for your equipment. Featuring Kevlar reinforcement, these tracks are designed for maximum strength and resilience. They are built to withstand the toughest jobs you throw at them. Specifically designed for compatibility with the Toro Dingo TX, these tracks ensure a perfect fit. Experience enhanced maneuverability and control with your machine. Achieve excellent traction and flotation, even in challenging terrains. Navigate difficult conditions with confidence and ease thanks to their advanced design. These tracks serve as a direct replacement for OEM part numbers 100, 8931 and 136, 5848. Get the quality you expect without the premium price tag. Ensure a precise fit by verifying your model number before purchase. We are committed to providing you with the exact part you need for optimal performance. What we like. Featuring Kevlar reinforcement, this option provides exceptional traction and flotation, even in challenging conditions. If you frequently operate in difficult terrain or need superior grip, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for users who demand maximum performance from their Dingo in tough environments. What people say. The tracks are durable and hold up well under heavy use. Installation was straightforward and the fit was perfect for the Toro Dingo. The improved traction provided by the tracks allows for easier maneuvering on uneven terrain. Number 3. Toro Tune-Up Kit Dingo 525. Ensure your Toro Dingo 525 operates at peak performance with this essential tune-up kit. It's designed to keep your equipment running efficiently, saving you time and hassle. This kit provides the necessary components for routine maintenance of your Dingo 525. Regular upkeep is key to extending the life of your machine and preventing costly repairs. Whether you have the narrow or wide track version, this tune-up kit is compatible. It offers a comprehensive solution for all Dingo 525 owners. We use only high-quality parts in our tune-up kits to ensure durability and reliability. You can trust that these components will meet or exceed original specifications. Designed for straightforward installation, this kit allows for a quick and easy tune-up. Get back to your work with minimal downtime. Invest in the longevity of your equipment with this comprehensive tune-up kit. Proper maintenance is the best way to ensure your Dingo 525 serves you for years to come. What we like. This comprehensive tune-up kit ensures your Dingo 525 is running at its best, accommodating both narrow and wide track configurations. If you're due for maintenance or want to proactively care for your machine, this kit simplifies the process. It's ideal for owners of the Dingo 525 who want a convenient all-in-one solution for upkeep. What people say. The tracks are a perfect fit for the Toro Dingo. They provide excellent traction on various terrains, including mud and gravel. The durable construction ensures longevity and withstands heavy use. Number 2. Toro Tune-Up Kit Dingo 427. Keep your Toro Dingo 427 running smoothly with our essential tune-up kit. It includes everything you need for optimal performance. This kit is designed to fit both narrow and wide track models of the Dingo 427. Ensure compatibility for a perfect fit. Regular maintenance ensures your equipment operates at its best. Our tune-up kit helps you achieve that peak performance consistently. Designed for straightforward installation, this kit makes maintenance simple. Get back to work faster with minimal downtime. Trust in the quality of genuine Toro parts. This kit uses authentic components to maintain the integrity of your machine. Investing in regular tune-ups with this kit can significantly extend the lifespan of your Dingo 427. Protect your investment. What we like. Designed specifically for the Dingo 427, this tune-up kit covers both narrow and wide track setups, making maintenance straightforward. If you own a Dingo 427 and want to ensure optimal performance with minimal hassle, this is your go-to. It's best for those who prioritize easy and effective maintenance for this particular model. What people say. The tracks are a perfect fit for the Toro Dingo. They provide excellent traction on various terrains. The durability of the tracks is impressive, holding up well under heavy use. Number 1. Toro Dingo TX426 Narrow Rubber Tracks. Experience unparalleled durability with these heavy-duty rubber tracks. Engineered for demanding environments, they provide dependable traction and stability on any terrain, ensuring long-lasting performance and improved machine handling. These replacement tracks are precisely engineered to fit your Toro Dingo TX426 narrow model. Enjoy secure performance and smooth operation, ensuring proper fitment and improved movement efficiency for all your projects. Navigate any job site with confidence thanks to the durable tread patterns. These tracks offer improved grip and control on dirt, gravel, mud, and uneven surfaces, reducing slippage and ensuring stable maneuverability. Manufactured to withstand daily construction, landscaping, and excavation tasks, these tracks offer enhanced durability and wear resistance. Improve your machine's efficiency and handling during intensive operations. This set includes 2 heavy-duty rubber tracks, ready for commercial and industrial use. They support seamless installation and reliable operation, making them the ideal choice for professionals seeking dependable accessories. What we like. Built for demanding construction environments, these heavy-duty tracks offer enhanced traction and stability with a durable tread design. If you work on rough terrain daily and need dependable performance and reduced vibration, these are an excellent choice. They are perfect for contractors and operators who require robust and long-lasting track solutions for their Dingo TX420. What people say. The Toro Dingo tracks are a great upgrade for my Dingo TX427. They provide excellent traction on uneven terrain and significantly reduce ground pressure, making it easier to maneuver in soft or muddy conditions. I was impressed with how well the Toro Dingo tracks held up during heavy use. They are durable and have shown no signs of wear after several months of operation. The installation was straightforward, and they fit perfectly on my machine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.